Hello, healthcare professionals and owners. I'm delighted to introduce you to BIOSENSEI's Medical Sales Accelerator Course. Our program is designed to empower medical practices to become revenue-generating powerhouses while upholding the highest standards of ethics and patient safety. In today's rapidly evolving healthcare landscape, medical practices face the dual challenge of delivering exceptional patient care and thriving in a competitive market. BIOSENSEI's Medical Sales Training Program offers a unique solution by combining medical expertise with proven sales strategies. Our program caters to a diverse range of medical practices, including anti-aging, med spas, integrative medicine, hormone replacement therapy, and plastic surgeons. Your employees will learn charismatic communication skills, how to build trust and credibility, and how to overcome objections with confidence. For more info, click the free consult button and one of our representatives will reach out to you shortly.